You're watching the Crypto Space channel, and today we are taking a look at MetaFire. So again, remember the normal disclaimer that nothing in this video is financial advice. Please always do your own research and only invest what you are willing to lose. So MetaFire, world's first multiplayer first-person shooter game on Polygon. So MetaFire unites players in a growing ecosystem of web-based FPS games, forming a truly decentralized game metaverse. So, what is MetaFire? Overall, it is one of the first web-based multiplayer P2P FPS game on Polygon. This is similar to a game called Crunker.io, except this player on here, your players are actually rewarded in a share of revenue, and the revenue is generated from in-game billboards paid using a hyper-deflationary utility token. So, as we can see, a global network. MetaFire provides an opportunity to join thousands of players around the world through interconnecting peer-to-peer game servers, providing a low latency, high gaming performance experience. Staking. Play staked games that rewards top players' staked tokens, enabling a full play-to-earn experience. Players can play free games without staking and still earn a fair share of the monetization of revenue generated through ads. And of course, multiplayer peer-to-peer. Start a local multiplayer game with your friends and invite global players into your game too. Add your game as a country to the ever-growing metaverse and get a fair share of the staked amount when people visit and play your game. And of course, learn more about the Phase 1 airdrop. We'll look at that shortly. And powering the MetaFire. So there are three major elements that enable the global multiplayer game network. First off is Polygon Proof of Stake. With over 1.3 billion transactions recorded and very low fees, Polygon's Proof of Stake is the most proven scaling solution into Web3 and the best way to launch a Web3 project for a global audience. Of course, Unity 3D. The game is possible thanks to the Unity engine, which gives a very highly optimized, battle-tested engine that has been tweaked for years to handle hardcore and demanding games. And we have the peer-to-peer game server. So MetaFire uses peer-to-peer technology such that anyone can set up a game server and host games to receive a fee from the players' rewards. Game servers are open source, public, and anyone can take part. Of course, we'll look at the roadmap shortly. They're partnered with PinkSale and DexView, gathering the community into the protocol. So join the community to get hands-on experience with MetaFire. The V1 beta will be available for beta testing, and active users will receive valuable airdrops before token launch. Airdrops are crucial to ensure that the community has access to utility tokens that are used to play staked games. So make sure to join the community, and we have all links down below. So basically, an overall basis of MetaFire, there's four main features. Of course, the web-based technology. So anyone can create a room and play with peers, and you can connect your Web3 wallet via Polygon to get rewards after each game played. Then there's that skill-based reward system where winners get a higher share from staked games, and in free games everyone gets an equal share. Point 3, the consistent revenue through the in-game billboards is a revenue stream for the project as opened, and ad publishers will buy MR tokens for this use case. And then number 4, true decentralization. Running on top of the open source protocols and smart contract reward system is fully automated and decentralized. So if we take a look here at the white paper, we can see, of course, MetaFire is a multiplayer peer-to-peer first-person shooter game that rewards players who play the game. So I love a good play-to-earn game. Again, if you're a good player, stake games, you can bet on a player's own victory or a team victory, where the winning team or winner will get the other stake tokens, or their free games powered by the ad revenue, so you get an even share distributed on the basis of kill count. So the gameplay. MetaFire is structured as an open-ended player network. Anyone with a desktop browser or mobile app can access to all games by connecting with an EVM-compatible wallet like MetaMask or Trust Wallet through Polygon Network. In this way, Polygon Network acts like a base layer for a world of infinite experiences. The MetaFire core team will build functionality for the game, assets associated with the gameplay. The game must be fun above everything else. Only by having an immersive gaming experience can the ecosystem attract enough participants to accrue value to the network. So multiplayer gaming. Every game will have up to 8 players concurrently. When a player joins the game using the wallet address will be their identity for the player. When a player starts their own game, the game code embedded in the URL for a sharing link helps any other player to join. All games have a default length of 4 minutes, and when the timer ends, rewards are given out in proportion of kill count. There are unlimited respawns for players until the timer ends. Due to its skill-based competitive nature, the game is a good fit for competitive play. We believe this is a crucial aspect for future growth and see how engaged the players become when money is on the line. Players can earn thousands of dollars worth of cryptocurrency with decent gameplay skills. So staked games are where players can deposit their own tokens into a public pool smart contract, and the winners are rewarded with the deposited tokens. The reward is based on kill count, and staked games will be launched in the V1 release, and only token holders will be able to play. So there is a formula basically working out how much you would earn, which again, all of this will be linked down below if you want to do your own research. Small taxes deducted from the winning prize. Stake games act as a betting game, but players can bet on their own playing skills instead of relying on luck. So then the free games is when it is an even split between everybody based on kill count. But you don't have to be on the winning team, it's just based on kills, which is nice to see. And then the ad publishers. This is of course how they can generate revenue. So in game, there's billboards and flat surfaces or even sky will be used to display non-intrusive ads through the scenes in the metaverse. Ad publishers can play for ads using the MR tokens, and a fair share of this revenue is rewarded to the game players as a prize. This helps running free games and brings revenue to the treasury other than the tax system. Ad publishers will have to buy MR tokens in open market or can earn it through games. Ad images can be uploaded to publisher portal. Publishers can choose where, how long and frequent ads should be displayed according to their budget. Ads will be reviewed before they are displayed, and approved ads will be shown in game. The revenue generated from ads will be sent to the treasury after paying a share to the players. If you find any in-game ads unsafe or it violates content policy, you can report the ad by shooting at the ad using any weapon. So that's pretty cool. So then hosting games. All game servers will be hosted and run by the project team in the V1, and later updates will bring the peer-to-peer game servers where users can run games locally or host games for generated revenue. So if we look at the tokenomics, we can see their token MR on the Polygon chain with a supply of 1 million, no buy tax, and a 0 to 2% variable sell tax with some burning. So we can see 20% of the supply will be for institutional investments and large capital providers. Then another 20,000 or 20% will be used for pre-sale. 10% is for the reward pool vested, 40% for public sale, and 10% for the team reserve wallet. If we actually compare the token MR, it is quite similar to MakerDAO's MKR because they're both high utility tokens and have a supply of 1 million. So if we actually take a look at MakerDAO's MKR token, this now has a price of over $700. So we could even expect this same potential with the MR token. And the roadmap, we can see tokenomics design announcement is done. Then it will be the allocations, pre-sale, token launch, V1 multiplayer, V2 multiplayer, monetization, custom weapons, peer-to-peer, then custom scenes editor, and even more to come. So make sure you check out MetaFire. All of the links will be down below. So testing out the beta, you can hit play on the website. We of course get the Unity loading and can give it a go. So we're now in full screen. Let me just zoom out so you guys can see that a bit better. We'll log in. So we have single player, co-op, and multiplayer. You also have different loadouts. You can change your weapons, etc., which is quite cool. So we've got an assault rifle here. Well, they even do skins, which is pretty cool. So we can put a gold skin on our assault rifle. And now if we just go into a single player game, we can try it out. So sandbox mode, hit start. Now we can see loading in. We are in the sandbox game. So we have our assault rifle. Also, we can see here we have a flashbang. And again, this is still in early beta stages, but you can actually give it a full go and try it out in the, well, on the website and in the description down below. We've got our assault rifle and also a nice little pump action shotgun. I like this shotgun here. So again, this will be available for peer-to-peer and normal multiplayer. So, well, get practicing, I guess, so you're ready to earn some nice tokens. But I hope you have enjoyed this video. You have been watching the Crypto Space channel, and I'll see you in the next one.